Moore's DIY guy Eric G is here to show us some tips when using caulking during your home project. And you won't believe how one household cleaner can actually save you from making a huge mess. Eric will have you turning into a caulking pro in no time.
When it comes to caulking, there's two major types of caulking. We have your typical latex, which is great if you're going to paint over it. But in this situation here, I want to use a silicone because silicone stretches so much more and it's much more resilient to so many more things. And in a kitchen, that's what I'm looking for. But there's a trick because the one bad thing about silicone is when you use it, it gets all over you. And more importantly, it's a mess to clean up. And it can be a heck of a mess when you do this. But I've got a trick that'll actually make it easier to use than latex caulking. So let's start by getting the caulking tube ready. Now this one here is actually color matched to my grout. So when we grouted this, I made sure and picked something that was gonna match that. So let's get ready on this. Now, this one's a little bit different. They already have the tip pre-cut for the caulking. So really, all I need to do is do a little cut off the tip of this, and we're ready for use. Let's put this on, and I'll show you what to do. Gotta have your traditional caulking tube for this. I'm gonna get it primed up in here. Now the secret is we don't wanna put caulking in places that we don't wanna have it. So what I'm gonna do is the first step is I'm gonna draw that line right down here with just a thin layer of the caulking. Then I'll show you my trick. Now the trick is to really get it into the crack in there to make sure that we have enough down there because I want it to stay. If it gets down in that joint, you're pretty good. If it ends up not going well, you can go this way with it and actually push it, and it tends to push it into the crack a little bit more. Take your time and get that. Now that I've got that down, I'm gonna stop that right there. Make sure you hit the bottom of that to quick and release it. Now here's where my trick is. Spray glass cleaner. What? This actually works really well. This is considered a surfactant, so what it does, when I spray this on here, it's not gonna stick to the things on the outside. I'll spray it on my hands, and I'll spray it on the caulking finishing tool, and you're good to go. Let me show you. I've got this cool finishing tool. It's got the scraper on one end and a couple different tips. I'm gonna use the smallest one here, but you can do this. And then, do that, just for good measure. Get a little on my hands, makes for a lot easier cleanup. Now I can use my tool, go down and clean and finish that off. All right, so I got a little bit on my hands, but you know something? That now wipes right off. And I actually have a cleaner project than I would have had if I would have been using latex caulking. That makes that easy, and that trick will save a heck of a mess, and you end up having a better product anyway. That's my little trick on using silicone caulk.
Well, you can catch Eric G's Around the House radio show from noon to 2 p.m. each Saturday on 860 The Answer.
More DIY is brought to you by Pyramid Heating and Cooling. Thrive in the great indoors.